So you've built your landing page and you created a form in GoHighLevel. You have your thank you page, your lead magnet is all set up. You test it out. You enter your name, your email, your phone number, and then you press submit and nothing happens. Well, if this is you, then you're at the right place at the right time. And in this video, what I'm going to do is show you exactly where you need to go to make sure that your landing page redirects to your thank you page so that your audience can get your also highly valuable lead magnet. Here we go. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go on and head over to GoHighLevel. For me, it's Optimize Pro. Optimize Pro is my white label version of GoHighLevel. And you want to make sure that you're in a sub account. Then when you go to the sub account, you want to navigate over to Sites. When you get to the Sites area, which is where I am right now, you'll see you can go across the top navigation button until you get to Forms. This is where you build out your forms. So what I'm going to do for this video is I'm going to show you my 25 ways to monetize your knowledge opt-in. So basically what I've done is I built a landing page and I created a form so that anybody that is interested in my free guide, they can opt in to receive the free guide. Now, essentially what happens is I build a landing page, I include the form, and then when people enter the information on the form, it's supposed to redirect them over to the thank you page, which is the delivery page, which is where they will actually get their free guide. Okay, so this is where you build the form out for that. So you come over here, I built the form, and folks have to enter their first name, last name, phone number, email address, and then they will press the submit button. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on the submit button. Now, it's not very clear and obvious where people will go after they click on the submit button. So ideally, you would think that it would be over here in the general settings, but it's not. It's actually buried over here under style and options. So you want to click on this and then you'll see that you can change the style, you can change the theme of the form, but you really want to go over here in options. I don't know why they have it buried here, but for some reason it is. So you click on options and this is where you will direct the form with regards to what to do after people click on the submit button, right? So you come over here and you have a couple of options. You can, click on the drop down and tell it exactly where you want it to go, right? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to open a URL and I clicked on here and this is the thank you page that I created in GoHighLevel and this is where I want people to go. So now when people enter their name and information into this form and they click on submit, which says yes, please send me the guide, then what's going to happen is it's going to take them right over to the thank you page which I created in GoHighLevel. All right, so basically after you do that, you click save and then you can go back and you can integrate this form into your landing page and it will go directly to your thank you page. So I will show you exactly what that looks like in real time. Okay, so this is the landing page that I created using Optimize Pro, which is my white label version of GoHighLevel. And this is where people can get my free guide, 25 ways to monetize your knowledge. So what you will do is people will scroll down here and as you can see, they can enter their information, their first name, last name, phone number, and email address, and then they click on yes, please send me the guide. So as you can see, I already entered the information. I just blurred it out for this video and we're going to click on yes, please send me the guide to see what happens. Okay, so this is what happens. After I enter the submit button or after I click the submit button, I came over here and it says, congratulations, here's your free guide. So this is my thank you page, right? And so pretty much what I can do is click here and I will download the guide automatically. So this is what happens when you create your landing page and your thank you page, which are 2 pages in your funnel, and you have a form and you want the form to actually redirect to the thank you page. For some reason in the system, it's a little bit hard to find the option for you to tell the submit button where it needs to go. But as you can see in this video, it's 110% possible for you to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope now you understand how to make your forms work in GoHighLevel. It's super easy. So if you like this video, then go ahead and smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel, because this is where I'm going to be giving you all the free tips that you need to grow and learn how to use GoHighLevel and really become successful in your business. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.